Hello and welcome to Radcliffe Chambers 2024 Private Client Conference. We've got a selection of talks on contentious and non-contentious issues in private client practice, which we hope that you'll enjoy.
This conference is unique in the sense that we bring together leading minds in the field and create a space for discussions that are both forward-thinking and pragmatic.
Our first session was called Pitch to Partners. We had 4 barristers each pitch what they thought was the most important case of the last year, and we had 3 fantastic partners from different law firms on the panel grill us. At the end of the session, the audience voted on who they thought had pitched the most important case of the year. Now, obviously, I think the audience did a great job because they picked my case.
The range of different topics that have been on offer. I gave a talk with Hayley Robinson from Stevens & Bolton about the non-contentious probate rules, but there were also talks that covered big trust disputes with international implications. So there really has been an opportunity for clients who do all sorts of different trusts and estates work to get a sense of what we do, but also hopefully learn something that they can take forward and help them when they're servicing their clients in the future.
It's just an ideal opportunity to get involved in understanding what other trust practitioners are up to, develop my knowledge about the contentious probate space, just understand a little bit more about what's going on.
It's been fascinating, a lot of interesting talks, a lot of varied subjects. Lots of my colleagues, we were saying that we wanted to go to all of the sessions. It was hard to choose the breakout sessions that we went to. So yeah, really interesting.
Good opportunity to people from my network in the private wealth space, barristers, some of whom I know, some of whom I don't. It's really wonderful to make those new connections and reconnect with old connections as well.
I think it's important to be able to come and hear about the developments in our area. I think it's important to be able to come and circulate with our peers and find out how they're getting on and what's going on in the industry.
It's just one of those opportunities. I think it's very relaxed, it's an easy setting, there's plenty of opportunity to ask questions, and yeah, I feel like Radcliffe Chambers really gave everybody an opportunity to shine today. It was really interesting to see the additional speakers speak as well.
I've been instructing Radcliffe for a long time now, so it's a go-to event for me. Really informative talks, really relevant to what we're doing on a day-to-day basis. It's stuff that's just really going to feed into our practice and being able to do our jobs for our clients.
Lots of the talks today, I noticed me and my colleagues, we were taking notes of cases that link to matters that we have on at the moment. So if nothing else, it's useful to get a sense of different case law, different perspectives.
They were all just really informative talks. It's nice to get the lowdown both from the Radcliffe guys and from the guest speakers.
And it's also an ideal opportunity to dive into kind of the new developments in the law, cases that inspire other people. It's wonderful to hear about all of the court cases going to the Supreme Court.
And we've come as a team, most of our team came today, so it was a nice opportunity for us all to coalesce in one place, but I think everybody's taken something different from the sessions.
And it's just a wonderful melting pot of inspiration, so I'm really pleased to have been part of it.
I can take that back and feed that in and work out what that means for me and my clients in handling our cases as well as we can.
I'd highly recommend all private wealth and contentious probate practitioners to come to the Radcliffe Chambers Conference next year. It's definitely a highlight of my calendar and I think it should be of yours.
That was our 2024 conference. I hope you found it as interesting as I did, and we look forward to seeing you again next year.